How to turn off vibration in color block jam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn it off. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here we're in the settings interface. Here there are different options available. Now on the top at the first option, you can see this vibration. So it has been enabled and it is turned green. Now in order to disable or remove it, simply tap on it. So it has been removed. Now there won't be any vibration in the game. So the vibration is basically for the user experience and better experience for the players while matching the blocks and while playing the game. But if you don't want it, simply tap on it and it has been disabled. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.